Hey my dear friends, you are watching English with Mansur, the place to build your English confidence. So this is the day 9th of English speaking practice in my village. Before starting this video, I'm going to give a brief introduction about me. So myself Mansur Ali Ahmed, I belongs to Dhupri district of Assam, which belongs to India, and I am pursuing BSc course in mathematics, and my college name is BN College Dhupri. Okay, so I have come to my home, and I have been practicing English regularly after coming to my home. Okay, so let's jump into the video. So since this is day 9th of English speaking practice in my village, so as like every day I am going to explain the surrounding things so that my English will get smoother. Okay, so behind me you can see one pond where almost all water has finished. Very few water are there in this pond. Okay, and this is a sunny day. That means it is a warmer day than other last 10 or 12 days. So I have not worn the jacket. Okay, so today I'm going to share three most important idioms which will help you in your daily life English conversation. Okay, so before going to share this, I'm going to say the meaning of idiom. The meaning of an idiom is different from the exact words. So first idiom is going to be once in a blue moon, which means something that happens very rarely. For example, you can say I speak English with foreigners once in a blue moon. And second is idiom is going to be learn the hard way, which means to learn something by making many mistakes. You can say, for example, I learned English the hard way by making many mistakes. Third idiom is going to be on the right track, which means something we do in correct way. For example, you can say if we practice English every day, then we are in the right track. So these were the three idioms which I wanted to share in this video. Okay, so I'm going to conclude this video. Learn this beautiful language in a very simple and enjoyable way. Okay, thank you so much. Bye. We'll see in the next video, which is going to be day 10th of my English speaking practice in my village. So okay, thank you so much. Bye.